Hello guys, so today we are going to make this delicious mini chocolate dora cake without oven, without soda, without curd, without egg. So first we have to take half cup of all-purpose flour or maida, then 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, then add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder and then half teaspoon of baking powder. Then 2 tablespoon of milk powder. If you have it you can add it, otherwise you can skip this step. Then sieve this all together nicely. Then for making a smooth batter I am using 1/3 cup of milk. Do not increase the amount of milk because we do not want a very hard or very loose batter. 1/3 cup of milk is just enough for this type of a smooth batter. Then I'm filling this batter in a plastic bag today. You can also fill it in a piping bag if you have it. So for making more easier for you guys, I am filling in a plastic bag today. Keep it in a glass and just fill it. Then just cut a tip of this plastic bag, a very small tip. Then grease a tawa or pan, whatever you have, with oil using a cotton or tissue paper or a brush. Then make circles with the batter. The size of the cake is all up to you. You can use, like, you can make big circles also. Then flip it with a spatula or a spoon like this, keeping the low flame. Like within seconds you have to flip it. As soon as you see bubbles on the top, use your other hand for flipping these, or a spoon if you're not comfortable with using your hand. So the size is completely up to you. You can also make big size, really big size, or really small. So flip it as soon as you see bubbles. To the other side you have to keep it for just 6 to 7 seconds, I would say, on low flame. So these are done. Now for the cream, I'm using dairy milk, melted dairy milk. You can use any type of a chocolate but melt it. And you can also fill it in a plastic bag and fill it in the between these two cakes. I am not using a plastic or a piping bag because I have realized that it is a big waste, because all the chocolate just sticks to the plastic bag. So I'm just using a spoon to spread it. You can also use a plastic bag or piping bag, it is all up to you. So use stick a similar size of the dora cake. So these are done. These already look delicious, smells amazing. Look, let's taste it. It was yummy. It is a very nice dessert. Like, it is tasty, the smell is amazing. You can have it whenever you want because the recipe is really simple.